Look,
Any comment on this, sir?
my oath, my, my oath of office says to enforce the laws of the land. Here is a family whose father or husband was a former soldier. Maybe not true that he was here. I will grant you that. But he was a president. And he wants to be buried. And the law says they should be, and they should be buried there. And that is my oath of office. Whether it is really to the liking of the majority of the Filipinos, or whether they find me obnoxious for allowing it, that is the law. And I'm sorry to say that we have to enforce